there's a new form of SEO, which is the ability to be cited in AI search like Google, ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, all of those types of tools. You can see here that this website that has a domain rating of 76 is mentioned by Google 175 times in their Gemini chat, ChatGPT 79 times, Perplexity 35 times, and so on. Now, there's a new term for this which people coin, GEO or AEO, which stands for Answer/Generative Engine Optimization, rather than Search Engine Optimization. And people will try to make out that this is some new magical thing that you need to apply some custom strategy to start to get cited for your website. But all of that, in my opinion, is complete bullshit. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can follow existing patterns that you've probably already familiar with to start getting cited in AI search. So the main two things that we need to look at are domain rating and then how many keywords that we're ranking for. So as a silly example, let's look at facebook.com, which has a domain rating of 100. It's ranking for 125 million keywords, and it's cited by Google 8.7 million times, ChatGPT 179,000 times. If we look at a slightly smaller website, so this is Balkan.com, who do the phone chargers. They have a domain rating of 78, 16.6 thousand organic keywords, and they're mentioned by Google 1.1 thousand times, ChatGPT 2.3. And then a much smaller website now, a hydration company called drinksalt.com. They have a much lower domain rating, only ranking for 6 keywords, and they're mentioned by Google 19 times, and for the other services, 0 times. So you can see that domain rating seems to be tightly linked to how much you're mentioned in these AI tools. So the same traditional strategies still work, which is grow your backlink profile to increase your domain rating, and then rank for searchable keywords. So keywords that have high search volume, because anything that appears on Google search results pages is what AI is looking at anyway. So it's going to go to Google, it's going to see search results, it's going to go to other reputable websites, see what other websites those are linked to. So if you can start to acquire backlinks over time from many websites, that's how AI will pick up your business and then mention you inside AI chat. So the first step is to get backlinks, and we can do that in a few ways. One is outreach, which we're going to cover briefly in this video, doing things like getting included into roundups like the top 10 tools for X. Guest posts, so posting on someone else's website, which gives them free content, and you can also, in some cases, reference your own company, potentially just in your bio or profile. And then the next one is linkable assets. So these would be high quality, well-researched articles that are so valuable that people just naturally link to them. For example, you might create a huge piece on SEO trends in 2026, which references a ton of different data sources and also includes things like novel insights. Other types of linkable assets would be free tools. These do very, very well. So again, in the SEO space, you might have like a free keyword checker. Ahrefs have a bunch of free tools, and they get in a lot of SEO traffic this way because people naturally link to those tools, which increases your domain rating and means that then you can start to rank for higher search volume keywords that have much higher keyword difficulty. So the first part is outreach that we need to address. So how can we find valuable backlink opportunities that we can actually rank for? Well, the usual way that you'd do this is you'd go after Google and you start searching around, finding websites, finding the contact details, emailing the website owner, asking them if they would reference your business in a roundup or a potential guest article. But that is extremely tedious. And if you're doing that every day, it could potentially take hours. So instead, I've got this prompt here, and you can go to resources, click Claude Scheduler Backlink Finder. This prompt is going to tell Claude to go off and do a bunch of research and then return to us backlink opportunities that we can actually rank for. This works for any business because we will replace all of the dynamic elements here with information about our own business. Things like business name, URL, description, competitors, target audience, keywords, and quality threshold. Just read all of this information, replace it with what's relevant for you, and then just copy the entire thing. It's really that simple. And then you need the Claude desktop app for this. This feature is not available on the web. You need to go to co-work, scheduled, new task, just paste that in, replace the dynamic elements at the top with information for your business. Schedule this to run every day or every week, whatever it is that you can manage. So we'll do it every day at 9 o'clock. You press save on that and you'll get a little thing like this. So this is one that I've been previously running. If we click into this, you can see that that prompt runs every single day. It gives us an overview of 3 keyword opportunities that we should pursue so we can reach out to those websites. It will include things like contact information for the particular website, how to reach out to them. They might have a contact form or an email address. It will even give a draft outreach message so we can just copy this entire thing, send it off to the website owner, and just wait for their replies. So we're doing this en masse every single day because this is scheduled. It's going to give us 3 backlink opportunities that we can then reach out to. We'll give an overview of why it's found that backlink opportunity. And if you want, you can tweak that prompt to give a different type of output. It doesn't really matter. But the point is that it's now running on autopilot, giving us those backlink opportunities. So this would cover things like outreach, roundups, guest posting. The other thing is that we now need linkable assets and just articles in general that are high enough quality that people are going to click onto them and then link them naturally to their website. For this, we can use Spectre SEO, which will automatically do deep research on keywords that you can actually rank for and then publish them to your article every single day rather than you having to do anything manually. What you can do is click into an article and review it. So if you want to add anything, add any like personal details, for example, tweak the article in any way, you can do that before it's published. So you still have complete control over what's going out, but it will generate really good quality articles just straight away. They are well researched. So it will go off. It will check Google search engine results pages. It will go off to a keyword data API. It will include things like images, tables, and also include videos as well. So rich assets like this increase the quality of these articles, and it's geared to converting human traffic into paid customers. So if you do want to get cited by AI, don't overcomplicate it. Just follow the traditional SEO tools. These AI tools are using traditional SEO anyway because they're going via Google search and that kind of stuff. So just focus on improving your domain rating, which you can do through Claude and Spectre, ranking for organic keywords, and then naturally over time you'll just start to appear in AI search. So now you know how to rank for GEO and AEO, you might want to start to automate your entire SEO content pipeline. I've included a video which covers that exact topic here. And if you want to see more SEO tips from me, then please subscribe. Otherwise, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.